Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to write your Upwork profile description. This is essential for attracting clients and showcasing your skills effectively on the platform. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account by entering your login credentials. After you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelance profile. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select your profile. This will take you directly to your full profile page where you can view and edit all your professional information. On your profile page, scroll through until you locate your role section. Right beside your role, you'll see your current profile description displayed. To edit this section, click the pencil icon that sits right next to it. This icon is your gateway to customizing how potential clients see you and your services. If you already have an existing profile overview and want to start fresh or make changes, simply delete the current text. This gives you a clean slate to work with and ensures your new description is exactly what you want to present. Now comes the important part. Type your new profile description into the text box. This is where you should highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique as a freelancer. Take your time here to craft something compelling that will catch the attention of potential clients browsing through profiles. Once you've finished writing your profile description and you're satisfied with how it reads, click Save. This will update your profile with the new description you've just created, making it visible to anyone who views your Upwork profile. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Upwork profile description, which is a crucial step in building your freelance presence on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.